Hi, welcome to Cubing Master. I'm AK. Today we'll be learning how to solve the Rubik's Cube because many people requested how to solve it, so let's get started. So I'll be using the Key Warrior W. If you want more information about it, watch my video on the Key Warrior W comparing with the Rubik's 3x3. So I'll scramble it. Okay, it's all scrambled. The first step is to make the daisy. So the yellow centerpiece should be facing you. Now we need to put 4 white edges around the yellow centerpiece. So 2 are already here. So look for another edge, it's here. So let's turn it here and bring it down. Another one is here, just turn it here, and you made the daisy. Okay, after we've done the daisy, we need to make the white cross. To do that is look at a white edge piece and look at the color here. It's orange, and to match it up with the centerpiece here. And then rotate it twice. And then here's another one, it's red. Match it up and then rotate it twice. Here's all the matched up green, rotate it twice, and blue here. Match it up and rotate it twice. When all the white edges are gone, the white cross is done and it should look like this. All the colors are like this. And then, now we need to put 4 white corners around the white cross. So first we flip it over and we need to find white colored corners. And here's one. So the other colors are green and red. So we need to match the green and red to their centerpieces. So I turn it and look, green, green, red, red, it's matched. So I do this algorithm. Up, left, down, right. If it's still not there, keep on doing it. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. I went here. Red and green, that's with the colors. Now here's another one. The colors are blue and red. It's already matched up. Do the right algorithm again. Up, left, down, right. It's down here. Now here's another one. It's blue and orange. So we match it up and we do the right algorithm. And the last one here, it's orange and green. Match it up. We do the right algorithm. Okay, so the white side is solved, and it should look like this. Hope you enjoyed learning how to solve the Rubik's Cube Part 1. Come back in my channel to see Part 2, and bye.